All right, Pax, I'm back. This is going to give you the visual of what's going to happen on Labor Day for the F3 Lehigh Valley 5-year anniversary. So we're going to start, some of you guys are going to be coming in Route 78. You'll jump on 29, and you're going to jump down here to Fish Hatchery Road, probably take that would probably be a left. Come down a little hill, and there will be a parking lot right here. Parking lot right there. We'll have some registration tables set up. You guys will be getting actually bib numbers, so we can actually write the results of your fitness test right on your bib. We'll have some fellowship tents set up here. There's a house right there. And we'll have pain stations. We'll do warm-ups and fit in the majority of the fitness competition here. The mule is the first part of the event. We're going to start off going this way up the hill this time and down a fairly large hill. And then right before the first bridge, we're going to have our first pain station. You can see I've got the west region, the Lanco legs leading that pain station. So from that pain station, I should probably have a marker to illustrate this, but we're going to come over this, continue along this path to the red covered bridge. And the red covered bridge is about 1 mile from the start, to give you a reference point. And this is where we're going to have the Philly guns. We're going to do upper body beat down by one of our Philly cues in this area. And you'll notice in the pain station. All right, so then we're going to continue on along the path, along the journey, along the river here. There's a river actually in between. That's why there's bridges. And we've got the third pain station. Lehigh Valley is going to lead the core. There's our central region. And we're going to continue past the bridge, come to a water station, which is our next bridge. That'll be our first water station. You'll probably, at that point, you'll be just about 2 miles into the journey. And we're gonna, after you get your water and all that, and you kind of mosey up here to, this is actually the start line for the 5K, but we're going to have a pull-up station because that is the beginning of the fitness competition. And let me just review real quickly the fitness competition. It's gonna start with pull-ups. You get 1 point for 1 rep. The 5K run is gonna be, so from this point, we're going to go around the outside here. This bridge is kind of like a turnaround, and it comes all the way back around, up water station, continue across. Then we come back to this bridge, keep going, the red covered bridge, keep going. Then this first bridge, we're not going to continue on straight. We're going to go across this bridge, and you'll see I put a water station here. This is the only bridge we're going to cross at the end. And then you're going to have to go up this hill again and then back to the pain stations or where the fitness competition is. So let me go back to the fitness competition. What you'll be doing, once you finish the race, if you're first place in this race, and there's 50 guys that run the race, the guy in first place gets 50 points. If you get second place, you get 49 points and so forth, all the way down to 1 point for last place for completing. Now you're going to have Merkins, 1 point for every rep, squats, 1 point for every rep, burpees, 1 point for every rep, and then we're going to do a sandbag carry up this hill, just up to there, and then back down, and that'll get you 10 points. The idea is, this is a choose your own destiny type of event. You work as hard as you want to do. You try to capture as many points for your region as possible, because, guys, I forgot to mention, this is all for, you're competing for the Freedom Hammer, which you may have seen a picture of it. It's in our back blast. We're also going to have fellowship components. If you bring enough, we're going to encourage guys to bring new guys. We're going to have PAX sharing their story, and there's going to be 10 points associated with bringing a PAX who's nominated to share their story about how F3 impacted their life this year. And then the faith component is, we're calling it Cover a Family. We've partnered with Robb Middle School. There's a lot of families in need in Allentown. Their children or students are required to wear uniforms, and so we're actually raising money to buy uniforms for them, or we're asking PAX to. We have a Sign Up Genius, and you can actually sign up to sponsor a family. Bring the uniform day of, and we'll make sure it gets distributed, or you could just donate to F3 Lehigh Valley, and we'll purchase the uniforms and get them over to the school. So that is the fitness, the fellowship, and the faith components of our event. As you can see, starting here, we're going to do a mule till we get to the fitness competition. Then we got a 5K race that comes all the way around. And we do go across this one bridge, up this hill and finish. When we get here to the pain stations or the fitness competition, this is where you'll be doing Merkins, squats, burpees, and then the sandbag carry will go up the hill and back. And we'll have a later video on exactly the right form for this event.